Welcome back to another video. Let's take a look at how we can change the input. So in order to run commands within CATIA v5, we can change it within the tools to have this automatically. So I decided to make this video because I received this command from Pavan Kumar. So he asked me how he can have that predefined type over here. So let's see. In order to change that, you need to go to Tools, Options, and over here you need to search for the General, so Options, General, and afterwards within the search input. We're gonna have the default prefix for power input. By default, this is set to none, but I usually prefer to keep it like this, so as command. Therefore, if I just wanna add something fast, for example, maybe I want to add a plane over here. I can select the step part. I can double click. So for plane, I can just go over here since this is generative shape design. But if, for example, you wouldn't know exactly where that feature would be, you can just type it over here. For example, if I want to do a ruler analysis for this, I can just double click on the racing car. I don't have the ruler analysis directly over here positioned within the human builder workbench, and I can just type in ruler analysis. Afterwards, I need to select the mannequin because this will go like this, and yeah, we have the ruler analysis defined over here. So I highly recommend that you're gonna set this to the command. So the running commands should be like this. If you're gonna check the documentation for CATIA, we're gonna see that over here we have a description for all the default prefix for power input. I will put a link to this webpage within the video description, and I highly recommend to check that out if you wanna use a different default prefix. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. If so, let me know in the comment section. And I will position a similar video over here on the left side. I will add this to the CATIA v5 tips and tricks playlist. And I will also add a subscribe button. So that's it. Thanks for watching.